Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in beginning a new business in gypsum plaster board manufacturing, or expanding an existing one, or simply learning more about how to start a business in a number of industries? Well, then you have arrived to the right location and you must watch the complete video with us. Do you want to start business of gypsum plaster board manufacturing? Well, today, here you get to know about gypsum plaster board manufacturing business by us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation, and we have been following a tight system and procedure to assure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations in this rapidly increasing and changing market. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. Today, we will show you how to start gypsum plaster board manufacturing business. Gypsum plaster board, also called drywall, plasterboard or wallboard, is one of the most popular building material in the world and one of the most lucrative businesses to be in. At most hardware stores, you can find both unfinished and pre-finished versions of gypsum plaster board. Gypsum plaster board manufacturing produces an estimated 3.7 billion square meters of product each year. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of gypsum plaster board involves wet and dry processes to produce boards in desired sizes. Initially, gypsum rock is mined from quarries. The main step of manufacturing process are 1. Mixing and blending, 2. Molding and casting, 3. Drying, 4. Cutting, 5. Sanding, 6. Bevel, 7. Grinding, 8. Polishing, and 9. Finishing. Market size. Gypsum plaster board market size is expected to grow at 6% CAGR during forecast period of 2018 to 2025. The growth of market is primarily driven by increasing demand of gypsum plaster board from residential segment in developing economies such as India and China. Rise in disposable income coupled with improvement in purchasing power of consumers are estimated to drive demand from gypsum plaster board during forecast period. This presents an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs. How NPCS can help you? Gypsum plaster board manufacturing is one among the reports on projects prepared by NIIR Project Consulting Services. The report covers every aspect in business, from studying the market, verifying the availability of different necessities like machinery and plant raw materials, and forecasting the financial needs. The report prepared by NPCS has been beneficial to the engineers and project managers and companies that provide industrial consultancy services not only in India but also around the world. With its project reports on different business plans, NPCS is also publishing technology, technical, reference, self-employment and startup books, directory of industry, and business database, as well as many more, which can be found on our official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website. For further information, contact us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, Scribd, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So, see you again. Till then, goodbye.